Hello everyone, my name is Olson Rodriguez.
My name is Miladies Garcia.
Hi, my name is James Mendez.
Hi, my name is Sierra Yao.
Hi, my name is Cameron Matthew.
My name is Alondra Nieto, and today is day one of Careers in Conservation.
Something that I'm most excited about is, being a part of this program again. This is going to be my second year doing it. I enjoyed it the first time, and I'm happy to have the opportunity to actually being here again. The hard work, that's one thing that I really like.
The goal that I have for this program is to learn more about plants and to hopefully work in the field.
My goals and hopes that I get from this program at CIC is to make more connections with the people here, make more friendships, and make just for my future that I know that will be hard. I want to make sure that I know what's to come.
I kind of know everyone. I know everyone's name in the program, but I don't know that we're not friends. They don't talk on a regular basis. I would like to get to know everyone. I feel like that will strengthen our relationships.
Some fears I have entering this program is some reptiles like snakes and lizards, because I've always been afraid of those animals.
Today is day one of Careers in Conservation. It's been going good so far. We started off with just getting to meet everyone by the best way of doing it through an icebreaker. So the icebreaker we did was ants on a log. And it was very interesting because you really have to rely on your partners and have communication going on. Ultimately, my group won. Just gotta put it out there.
My name is Alex Placidon. This is week 2 of CIC. It's a Wednesday. And today we're at Haramakna Cultural Center up here in the Anderson National Forest. And today what we're doing is clearing off some brush, as you can see behind me. And we're also setting up some guard poles so nobody falls off the side of cars.
Hi, my name is Jasmine Handy, and I've been working on the guardrail, digging a hole about 6 feet. It's a lot of hard work, and it makes me feel accomplished, and really I like to work. So I'm having fun while I'm doing it. It's a good experience to get this hands-on and getting dirty.
Hi, my name is Rachel Ruiz, and on the third week of CIC, we went to Animal Tracks, Vasquez Rocks, Pines overnight, and stayed at Eden Canyon on the third day for a presentation by a Fish and Game Warden. At Animal Tracks, we saw different types of monkeys that include the baboon and lemur, and we also saw a skunk and raccoon. We got to see a fennec fox. We got to pet 2 kangaroos. During the Pines overnight camp restoration, we used loppers to cut plants, McLeods and Pulaskis to remove pine needles away. On the third day of the third week of CIC, a Fish and Wildlife Warden came. His name was Adam Smith, and he informed us on what Fish and Wildlife Warden does. He also informed us on the regulations on poaching.
Hi, my name is Genesis Cruz. This is our last week in CIC. Today we went to Morovia Canyon Park where we met Eugene and his crew. We went on a little hike to study stream ecology and aquatic bugs. On the hike, surprisingly, we saw a black bear. And the encounter was really awesome because I was one of them, the third person leading that hike. Surprisingly, my team members didn't see it before I did, so I had to tell them to stop. Well, I said wait, and once they saw it, it was a little cub. And it wasn't scared, it was just curious and strategizing how to leave. But it was really an awesome encounter, and it was our last week too, so I always wanted to see a bear up close.
Hi, my name is Jason Salvador. So during the hike, we were able to see the bear, the waterfall, and the creek dams. But right after, we went to go check out the Morovia Nature Center. In the Nature Center, we were able to see different snakes, such as a rose-colored boa, who was midway eating and also shedding. We were also able to see Native American drills in the upper floor, and I was also able to figure out what an actual tick looks like. They were able to have a little microscope set where I picked up a tick, put it under, and checked out how that small little beetle looking kind of thing actually grabs onto the skin. And that was weird.
Hi, my name is Carlos. Some of the hopes I had when I joined CIC was to go out more hiking and to see things that I've never seen before. And fortunately, those hopes did come true. We did go hiking just about every day, whether it was a work day or just a regular day, just to see a waterfall. Some of those days we did see things that I've never seen before. For example, saw a bear, saw a few snakes, plants that can numb your finger, how to distinguish poison oak from other plants.
Hi, my name is Maria. One of my most favorite things about working with CIC was being able to collaborate with YCC. They seemed, at first it was a little awkward since we never really talked, but eventually I'm glad that we were able to break out of our comfort zones and get to know everyone better. I got to meet some interesting people.
Alright, hi everybody, my name is Brian Gonzalez. I think my most memorable experience was going to Monrovia Canyon Park. We went on a little hike. I was able to see a bear with everybody else. We were pretty shocked, but it was really exciting to see it because I was hoping to see one, and I was definitely scratched that off my bucket list. Also, it's my first time seeing a gray squirrel. I know they're not native, I believe, so it was really cool to see that as well. Those two animals, never seen them in life. One of the things I always remember.
Hi, my name's Sandra. The hardest day of all this program was the first day we went hiking because it was a 3-mile hike. We had our backpacks, which were really heavy. At first, it was like a mile or two in. Once we got up there, there was different tools. I went with YCC, and they helped me with the Pulaski, and so we made the trails bigger so horses and people can walk. And on the way back, which was 3 miles, it was much easier for me because I knew how far it was going to be, and it was much easier for me because I knew to drink plenty of water and not go fast to be in front of everyone. But overall, it was a really amazing day.
Hi, my name is Amber Davis. One of my fears coming into this program would have been bugs and snakes. I am a little bit less fearful of snakes now because I know what to do if I do encounter one. I haven't encountered one this year, but you know, in the future I would know what to do. And then with bugs, I came around a little bit to them, not too much. I'm still, trying to, not run away from them.
Hi, my name is Lupa Hernandez. Before CIC, I didn't know anybody, I didn't know nobody. And then I started getting comfortable with everybody, and I made 2 friends, Genesis and Sandra. Overall, I had a great experience with everybody. I learned how to use tools that I didn't even know how to use. Everybody works as a team, and I like that, and I would definitely do CIC again.